Yes, there are no wars. You are a good friend of Mr. Trump, I accept that, but
He's against any war.
he's against wars, but at the same time, trade wars he's not against. Because trade is something that will keep his country growing and other countries competing, etc. So, to my knowledge, Gwadar port came at a handy time and I was at the right place at the right time. So God made me do it. It went from my hands. And then the CPEC is a novel concept. It will bring, and it should bring, I feel that the amount of money that we've borrowed from China should have gone into this project. And then it would have advanced, it would have proved and given us the dividends. But even then this amount of money for a nation is not a big amount. And especially for a country like Russia, China, it's not a big amount. So we can live with it and they can live with it and we can move on. But the perspective of deriving the advantage is beyond today, beyond tomorrow, for our children to our children. Just now I'm dreaming of another dream. I'm in dialogue with Tajikistan to bring water from Tajikistan for Balochistan. And inshallah, they have managed to get a feasibility ready on UAE's money. UAE is invested in the feasibility, and the feasibility I have passed on to the Chinese. I'm hoping they will also study it. The contention is not so difficult. We have to make water come through Chitral and then the water coming from Tajikistan. That is a tricky posture, although it's 14 miles, the Wakhan corridor, but it's a tricky place. But I'll let my Turkum friends to dialogue with the Afghans, because I wouldn't blame them if they don't trust me. So I let them talk to them. So basically, people in my places, we have to keep dreaming and try and think and make as much of it come true in our lifetime, or leave space for the following generation to follow in that steps. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, once again. Welcome to the presidency, and may you all live well. God bless you all. Thank you.